Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to log in with a different account in the Temu app. Whether you're switching accounts or need to log in with a different account, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. So let's get started. Open the Temu app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Temu app on the home page at the bottom of the screen, look for the icon that says You and click on it. Then on the next page, in the drop-down menu, look for the option, Your Orders, and then click on it. By clicking on the option Your Orders, a new page will also open with a drop-down menu where you will look for the option. Try signing in with another account and click on it. The app will open the next page where you will be offered several types of options through which you can log in with a different account. The choice is yours. If your new account is connected to Google, Facebook, or another platform, you can choose the option to quickly log in. And that's it! You are now logged into a different account in the Temu app. Switching accounts is super easy and keeps your experience seamless. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more app tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.